Hello there. I am doing something I have never done before, and that is I'm cutting my, well, I did, but I was 5 and I cut my bangs right off. Anyway, I am going to cut my hair. I'm going to attempt to cut my hair. So I know at the starting of this video, as soon as I said I'm going to cut my hair, my mother went, "Oh no." But don't worry, Mom. I searched some YouTube videos to see how, because all I want actually is an undercut, which means the rest of the hair is long and this is just short. So if you see my hair now, those of you that know me well, you'll know I've always, I've had long hair, but I think I suit short hair better, as I've been told, and it's also just easier to do. So this is my hair. And I need to clean it up a little bit. So I told Steph that I was going to do my hair, and he almost begged me, "Bobby, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it." Well, I'm doing it. So I have hair clippers, and I have a whole bunch of special header things on them. I don't know what size to use. Well, actually, I was reading to use anywhere from a 6mm to a 10mm. So I'm going to use a 7mm head on the that's a number 2, and that's 6mm. So a 3 must be a 7mm, wouldn't you think? Here's a 3, and this is 10mm. So, okay, I'm gonna start with a 10mm because if I want to go shorter after, I can, but I can't glue it back on if it's too short. So I'm gonna start with a 3. Yeah, there, I made a choice. I'm gonna clip this on. Now, hubby charged this up for me last night. Yay! Lots of hair clips, and just little hair clips. My comb, and I'm doing this in my pajamas. I am going to section off my hair. That doesn't look very straight, does it? I'm gonna wet it just to be safe. So I've given it the quick blow dry. And this is why I love short hair, because it's just so easy to style. I could do it all, get the old, nah. All right, now I'm gonna take a look at the back. Da, 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 da. Wonderful. And there you have my do-it-yourself haircut. So that in fact was a fail video. It was a hair cutting video, and it didn't have any hair cutting in it. When I thought I paused it, it didn't take. So when I came back to push the start button, I actually paused it just before I started cutting my hair. My son said, "Leave it to you, the only person who can do a half-an-hour video about hair cutting with absolutely no hair cutting." I decided I wanted it shorter because I don't want it like a mushroom, right? So I want it actually all short. I want all that to go. I'm going to do that, and you're going to watch, because I'm not going to push pause this time. Wish me luck. out all my hair clips. So, as you know, I have my undercut here and here. And now I went shorter at the back because it was too bulky for me before when I showed it to you last. And it's all messy because of the hair clips, but there you have it. That's my do-it-yourself pixie cut, undercut.